show a little bit of the magic that I learned.
I would like to see it.
Okay, I'll show you. Hold on. I gotta find my wand. So this is my borrow wand.
Okay, and what kind of magic can you do with that?
I want to transform and show you my transformation. So I'm gonna wiggle my wand around. Wiggle.
What's on your boots?
Don't look at that! Wiggle. Okay, it's doing kind of magic now.
Yeah.
I forgot the words. Hold on.
Are you looking at a screen? There's a screen on the other there.
Just a second. I'm gonna say blind start.
What's it mean to?
Shake a lag, sparkle, dog transform. Wait, the open's wrong. Okay, wait, I gotta try again. Blind start. Tail of light, fetch the magic. I transform. This is a week late. I'm sorry. I was practicing this one because it was St. Patrick's Day. Well, I hope you guys had a nice St. Patrick's Day anyway. Land star! Gentle paws glowing light. Dog girl, right to the world.
What the is this?
Yay! We transformed! You like it? I practiced really hard. You like it or no? Very cute, right? Thanks for coming to the 2.0, 3.0, and 4.0, guys.